Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a huge question: what states don't extradite for a probation violation? Many people believe there's a secret list of safe haven states where you can go to avoid a warrant. This is a common and very dangerous myth. The truth is, there is no state that has a blanket policy of refusing to extradite someone for a probation violation. The decision to extradite is not about the state you flee to, it's about the specific circumstances of your case. The single most important factor is whether your original charge was a felony or a misdemeanor. If you are on probation for a felony, you should assume that you will be extradited from any state in the country, no matter how far away or how minor the violation was. All states are part of agreements like the Uniform Criminal Extradition Act, which makes the process for felony warrants fairly standard. They will almost always come get you. For misdemeanor probation violations, the situation becomes much less certain, and this is where the confusion comes from. It's not a legal rule, but a practical one based on cost and resources. A prosecutor in Texas, for example, has to decide if it's worth spending thousands of taxpayer dollars on plane tickets and officer salaries to bring someone back from Maine for a low-level misdemeanor. Often, the answer is no. Distance is a huge factor. The farther you are from the state that issued the warrant, the less likely they are to spend the money to extradite for a misdemeanor. The nature of the original crime and the violation also plays a big part. A warrant for a DUI probation violation will be treated more seriously than one for petty shoplifting. But here is the critical part you must understand: even if the original state decides not to extradite you at that moment, the warrant does not disappear. It remains active in the National Crime Database, known as the NCIC. This means anytime you have contact with law enforcement for any reason, like a simple traffic stop or even as a witness to a crime, that warrant will pop up. You will be arrested and taken to jail. You could then sit in that jail for days or even weeks while the local authorities contact the original state to see if they've changed their mind and want to come get you. That warrant will follow you for life, making it nearly impossible to pass a background check for a job, get a professional license, or even rent an apartment. So, the question isn't what states don't extradite, but rather is it worth the risk, and the answer is almost always no. This information is for educational purposes and should not be taken as legal advice. Your only real path forward with a warrant is to speak with a qualified criminal defense attorney. I hope this clears up the confusion surrounding this very serious topic. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more straightforward explanations of complex legal issues, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel.